Where did you go to this trip?
I went to Vietnam.
Wow, how many days are you go to Vietnam?
I went to Vietnam for 10 days.
What do you travel with?
I traveled by plane.
Very good. Who are you go with?
I went with Football, Anna, Patricia, and Saudi. Where have Patricia traveled?
Me and my friend went to Krabi.
Priya, would you like to know to sandwich?
No, I have parties. Let's go. Maybe next time.
Okay, see you again. Goodbye.
Bye.